Tightly Packed TV, the online magazine for Interpack to watch, produced by Packing Journal TV. Welcome. These are our topics today. We look at the German Packaging Act and ask, does it still make sense or is it already over-regulation? It's all about the sausage. Packaging for sausage is now even more sustainable. We show you how sealing films require less material input. And for dessert, ice cream and packaging made of monomaterial. How exemplary is Germany when it comes to recycling? All over the world, the circular economy is the big issue. And of course, the impetus for this also comes from politics. For example, there is the European Packaging Directive. It stipulates that by the end of 2025, at least 65% of the weight of packaging waste will be recycled. 5 years later, it will be 70%. To achieve this goal, Germany has its own authority, the Central Packaging Register Office. Its purpose is to distribute the costs arising in the circular economy fairly among all companies that place packaging on the German market. Now, however, there is an innovation. Since July 1st, it is no longer only packaging that is physically sold on-site in shops and supermarkets that has to be registered with the register. Online mail-order companies, for example, are now also obliged to register and pay. They do not pack a product, but already packaged products in boxes or envelopes. In addition, the new regulation affects all those who put to-go packaging on the market. For example, pizza boxes, coffee to-go cups, bread bags, and butcher's foil. This means the companies that were previously unfamiliar with the laws and requirements for packaging in Germany must now also register. This is also why the German Packaging Register page is now also available in English, and the World Packaging Organization has summarized the recycling requirements in other countries on its homepage. Sausage slices are still predominantly offered in packaging made of multi-layer composite films. More sustainable packaging is on the way, but recyclable monomaterials pose special requirements, for example, for the heating systems needed for the thermoforming process. GEA and Watron now have jointly developed a technical solution that makes it easier to use these materials without sacrificing performance. The new energy-efficient heating systems for GEA packaging machines enable the use of monomaterials in the production of sausage packaging. With the same product safety, stability, and transparency, this new packaging is 100% recyclable and also saves 35% material. The new heating systems are already in use at the Wolf Group. In the first step, the food manufacturer offers fresh sausage slices in a monomaterial pack. Teamwork makes the dream work. Once again, we see how much truth there is in these simple words. A team of 3 has joined forces to develop a food packaging that enables the circular economy of plastics, more precisely, an ice cream packaging. Borealis, food manufacturer Froneri, and Pacor have jointly developed a monomaterial packaging for Ino brand ice cream. The certified renewable raw materials from biomass that are used are not in competition with the human food chain. Instead, the material is obtained from biomass, waste, and second-generation residues, that is, materials that are produced anyway. Another advantage, Borna wobbles are traceable from production to end use. One of, if not the most important function of packaging is product safety. For food packaging or packaging of liquid goods, it is therefore important that the packaging is tightly sealed so that the product does not come into contact with unwanted substances or leave the packaging unintentionally. Polyolefin sealing films are a proven packaging material. The Dutch company Plastil, a subsidiary of the Orlemans Packaging Group, together with the Austrian Constantia Flexibles Group GmbH, has now come up with a solution for producing these with far less material input. According to the company, the compressed seal film has a higher seal strength than conventional polyethylene films and at the same time weighs up to 30% less due to the lower material input. Read more about this in the Tightly Packed online magazine. At the beginning of May, Interpack is finally back in Germany. In December, however, it's already off to the Middle East-Africa region. As is well known, this is an important sales market for the international industry. Under the umbrella of the Interpack Alliance, Pack Process MEA and Food Africa will take place in Cairo in December. Perhaps your start in an exciting, lucrative, and very dynamic market. More about this on our website as well. We'll be back in September. Until then, all the best, stay healthy and successful.